Hello friends, how are you? Good morning to all. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And net lecture HT DevOps, version control and Git and GitHub. Common version control system tools. Git, HVM, Flow version and Mercurial. These tools are common version tools. Overview of Cloud Vista. Cloud Vista expanded globally and the number of employee and open source contributors grew rapidly. This created a highly distributed and diverse team. This global presence introduced several new challenges. Okay. Next slide is challenges in cloud Vista. Collaboration challenges, deploy delays, version synchronization, and backup and data storage problem. These challenges of cloud Vista. Solution implement white cloud Vista. When an organization transfer to a version control system for managing its code base. So Cloud Vista is used as a version control system that transfer and file. It allows them to enable independent deployment for faster deployment. Deployments can long repository for offline but minimize server dependency. That is, it allows improved versioning, reviews, and collaboration for effective community contribution. What is version control system? What is version control system? Version control is a system that tracks and manages changes made to code and other files, enabling collaboration and confident development. Also known as source control and revision control. Version control system also known as source control or revision control system. Common version control tools which is Git, SVN, and Mistral. Version control system types. There are three types of version control system. Number is local version control system. Number two is centralized version control system. Number three, distributed version control system. Three types of version control system: local version control system, centralized version control system, and distributed version control system. Next is a local version control system (LVC). Short name is LVC, local version control system. In local version control system, all revisioning operations are performed on a single machine, and the version history is stored locally. This is a version database. This is a file checker. So this system are stored the file. So this approach lets developers track, revert, modify, and manage file version locally. Local version system issue and solution. Issue is a version control system. Multiple people working on the same project in parallel. Same project is a parallel. Solution centralized version control. This is solution is a centralized version control. Issue multiple people working on the same project in parallel. One project is a create, so all team work are parallel process. So this solution is a centralized version control system. Second is a centralized version control system. Central server and not a parallel process. Yeah, one checkout file and second other member the checkout file. So address the limitation of local version system by using a central repository. This is a central repository and one person connect and second person is not a parallel process. All team members access the same central repository for collaboration with changes made to a shared location. Central version control system issue and solution. Issue if failure in the central version, central server, हमारा सेंट्रल सर्वर अगर हमारा फेल हो गया तो कैन cause the entire system to go offline. सिस्टम फेल हो गया तो हमारा और सिस्टम एग्जॉस्ट ऑफलाइन कंडीशन में जाते हैं. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग एसेट द कोलैबोरेशन. अगर हमारा सेंट्रल वर्जन सेंट्रल सर्वर जब फेल सो ऑल all user is just desktop is just discount. Only one system is just server just saved by so data is just fail. Solution distributed version control system. Solution is a distributed version control system. Distributed version control system. Distributed version control system is a remote server is just centralized and one checkout file remotely based so connect to second database version database and this is just version database and database is connected to the central remote server. So database failure. So this file is a this server is a file is a safe, not is a offline condition. So in distributed version control system, each developer has a full copy of the repository, including its history on their local machine. History is a local machine. This is a local machine. Okay. So save the history is a local machine. They work on local files and upload changes to the remote server. Local files and they work the local files, work this but in version database, local file and upload upload the files, complete work to upload the file is a remote server. Instead for the browser. So fail, if a server fails, when a server fails तो एक क्लाइंट कैन रिस्टोर द हिस्ट्री. अगर हमारा सर्वर फेल होता है तो हम इस वर्जन डाटाबेस से रिस्टोर कर सकते हैं डाटा रिपोजिटरी रिस्टोर कर सकते हैं. रिस्टोर द रिपोजिटरी इंस्टेड डाटा इंटीग्रिटी. This is a distributed version control system. The version control system is a three types. Local version control system. Local version control system only one version database and one user connect to the locally. So second is a central version control system. Central version control is central server is a central and two user is a checkout file connect to the central process. But issue is a central server is a held, so our system is a offline. And third is a distributed version control system. Distributed version control system is a remote server is a centralized and file checkout to the version database. Version database. If remote server is held, so version database is a file is a safe. So restore the data. Again, remote server is held, so restore that. Okay. So distributed version control system is a good. Okay. Next, what is Git? What is Git? Git क्या होता है? Git is an open source. Git is an open source distributed system for tracking code changes and enabling collaboration. Git is an open source distributed system for tracking code changes and enabling collaboration. This is the Git. Git is a version control system. Git is a version control system. So facility, version control, and history tracking. Improve code integrity and minimize conflict. Enable branching and merging code independent bug. Git is a enabling branching and merging independent bug. So Git is a version control system. Components of Git. Git consists of several core components that manage source code version. Git component manages the source code version. The main components of Git are working directory, working directory where your project files are located. Second is a staging area or index, hold changes that are about to be committed. Local repository, a hidden directory git.git. A hidden directory.git stores your project configuration history and information. It's a local repository. Remote repository changes can be pushed to a pull from the remote repository for updates. So Git components is a four Git components. The main components of Git are working directory, staging area, local repository, and remote repository. And next component of Git is a continue. Branch. The default branch usually main. Branch, main, and master. Two types of branch, main and master. So the default branch, usually main, enables creating, switching, and merging changes. Creating, switching, and merging changes in the branch. Tags. Tags are used to make a specific point in the history of a Git repository. This is the server. Tag is a V1, V2, and V3. The tags are used to make a specific point in the history of a Git repository. Next is that commit. A commit capture a snapshot. Commit capture as a snapshot of file changes and details at the specific time. Head. Next is the head. Head refers to the currently check out branch or commit. Head refers to the currently check out branch or commit. How Git works? Git कैसे काम करता है? How is Git works? Git is a working directory. Working directory जैसे लिनक्स में हम डायरेक्टरी बनाते हैं कोई mkdir उसे उसी वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी Git is a working directory. Git initiate, Git initialize, so an initialization folder, Git add, next is a staging area. This is a staging area. Git commit, command is git commit, local repository, and git push, remote repository. This is a command git. Working directory, git init, and initialization, git add, second is a git add, staging area, and git commit, and git push. So again, git pull, git commit, git add, and git the final project. Okay. Yeah. Popular use cases of Git. Version control and code management. Collaborative coding, open source project, version tracking, bug tracking, and fixing. Initialize commands. To initialize a new Git repository in the current directory. New Git repository in the current directory, Git init. This is a PC, desktop, desktop, Git init. So initialize empty Git repository, create repository, Git. So Git create a hidden .git folder hidden, folder containing all the metadata and version history to track changes in your project. This is login is a gate. So master merging git init to analyze existing git repository in this path. So this dot git is a hidden. So next, clone an existing repository. This command is used to copy an existing remote Git repository from a remote location GitHub to your local machine. Syntax git clone repository URL. Git clone, which is a Git repository URL. So enter calling is a nest and this is a updating files which are 100% done. So we have clone the nest in GitHub repository to your local machine using the git clone command. This is a path is a local repository. So this is my program. So git clone, this is this path user, this is a path local repository. So git git and git clone and paste to local path. Cloning the nest.js, this is a updating files 100% is done. Adding files and checking status. To add file to the staging area. Add file to the staging area command git add file name. Git add file name. To check the working tree status. Check the working tree status. Git space status. This is desktop testing. Git add index.html. Git status. No committed. Change is the commit. Git new cache. This status. Git status. How many files should you give? So new file and index git add. This file is add. So index.html. Use git add file include the will commit. So script.js and style.css. This is a hidden. So project to the start. Working directory, make it a directory vi index.html. Index.html, git iterator, one branch master, all conflict fixed by are still merging. Use git commit to conclude merge. Modify git iterator is a file.txt and untracked file. This file is a hidden file. vi index.html is a hidden file. Index.html and next.js. So git add index.html. Git add तो इसमें हमको क्या करना है जी git iterator git iterator हमको क्या करना है फाइल डॉट टेक्स्ट अब हमको ऐड करना है git add index डॉट html तो हमको लिखना पड़ेगा कमांड git add index डॉट html तो git status check to the git status command should modify file.txt first is the file.txt and index.html is hidden so new file index.html is so and next.js is a hidden file. So vi index.html. Next command use a git status and next command is a git this file is a hidden and this is just so this file so git add index.html add का मतलब हमको यहाँ पर ऐड करना so git add index.html new file my index.html not it just so file and net.js is a hidden file. Commit changes. To commit the stage file to your local repository. Git commit. A commit message and description. A commit message. This is my first file commit. It is a mostly used written more descriptive commit. So key commit message and description can be added here. Executed after the description is written and the external editor is closed. So git commit, git add d.txt, git add d.txt. Warning, the working copy d.txt lf will be replaced on control F the next time git touch it. So git commit space minor there, git commit space hyphen m double colon adding d.txt. तो d.txt हम ऐड कहते हैं. So commit minus m adding d.txt. हमारी रिपोजिटरी के अंदर ऐड करनी है d.txt की फाइल, वो हमारी यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा. मास्टर दिस इज द snapshot id adding.txt. One file is just changed. Three injection plus three more this 100 d.txt. To add this file is a d.txt. This command is a git double hyphen help. So the help this command start a working area. See also get help to clone. Clone is a repository into new directory. In it, create a empty git repository or initialize in existing one. Add command are used. Add file content to the index. MB move the rename of file a directory on a summary. Restore working three files. RM remove file from the working tree and from the index. Some basic Linux. So depth show change between commit, grab print lines matching the pattern, log show commit log, show version types of object, status, show the working tree status. Dep file download missing object and the vertical partial log. Branch list create a delete branches. Commit record changes to the repository. Merge join two or more development tree together. Rebase reply commit on top of another base tree. Reset command are used. Reset current add to the specified state. Switch branch tag create list delete or verify or tag object sign with GPG. Heads command are used. Download object and reference from other repository. Pull head from the integrate with another repository or a local branch. Choose update remote reference along with associate object. What is a remote repository? Remote repository, this is a pull request. This is a HTML pull request HTML file. So a centralized version of the project hosted on a server, which allows multiple users to collaborate by providing a shared location where distributors can add, pull, and push code changes, ensuring synchronization and version control across all contributors. Next slide is creating a remote repository new. Sign up at github.com and click on new to create a new repository. Create a new repository. New, click to the new. So create a new repository. Adding description under the repository name, give a name to your repository. Create a repository, create a new repository under a just name demo. So description is a column. Give some description about the repository in the description section. Create repository. For repository access, you can choose either public or private. Repository access to the choose public and private. Finally, click on create repository. Finally, click on create repository. Adding remote to the local. Add remote repository local. Use get remote and follow by remote link. And type get remote add origin remote link. Get remote add origin message remote link. Message click setup. You have the find the before. This is the line. This is the get remote and origin. This is the this copy this path and this copy the path. Push local repository to remote. To push local repository to remote, use push command. Syntax git push hyphen u origin master. So git push minus u origin master. So git push minus u hyphen u. Hyphen u set origin and slash master as the upstream to master following future push with a git push. U means the git push. Origin is the default name for the remote repository. Origin is the default name for the remote repository. Master the branch you are pushing to the remote. Master या main the branch you are pushing to the remote. हम remote से किस पे push कर रहे हैं main branch पे या master branch. So this is so the branch you pushing the remote. So git clone master git push hyphen u origin master. So new branch is a branch master setup with origin master. 100% remote resolve details 100% is done. So if I double dp just path with the origin master push to the origin master process the branch master. Push local repository to the to remote. The changes can be seen in remote repository. This is the remote repository. So code. This is a file index.html and escape.js and style sheet. So this I am Raman and I am Ganesh. I talk to you. File.txt merge branch feature and index.html merge branch feature. Merge branch feature के अंदर हमारी this file है index.html and file.txt. Pull request. Pull copies changes from the remote repository to the local repository and merge them with the current branch. Syntax git pull origin. Git pull origin is a just is a working directory merged with the full repository. So git pull origin already up to date. The Git file workflow. Git file workflow defines process for efficient collaboration and changes management in Git projects. Major components of Git file workflow. Basic workflow, developer A and developer B. This is the working copy, stage changes, staging area, local repository, and commit changes. So clone, pull, push, and clone. So this is the server. This is the second developer, clone, add, push, and pull. Second server. You know, this is the developer one. This is the right developer B. What is branching? This is a branching. Developer, multiple developer and multiple branching. Branching allows developers to work on feature to fix independently without impacting the main code base. So this enables isolated testing and parallel deployment, contributing to the overall project goal. Branching in Git. Branching is ensured in any version control system, allowing developers to manage different lines in deployment. In Git branch, point to snapshot of changes without copying existing file, unlike other version control system. This is a branch. This branch, this uh, blue branch is a little feature branch, and this is a orange branch is a master, and red branch is a big feature branch. Okay. So this three branch, little feature branch, master branch, and big feature branch. What is merging? Merging integrates the changes made in different branch into one single branch. This is a different branch. This is a single branch. Different branch is branch 1, branch 2, and branch multiple n. So, merge master branch. All branch is just stored in a single branch. So, this is called master branch. Merging in Git. Once merging is complete, once merging is complete, to change this from branch 1 or are integrated into the master branch. One merging is completed, so all changes are branch 1 to multiple n are integrated into the master branch, rendering branch 1 redundant and suitable for user. This is a master branch. The red is a master branch, and blue is a branch 1 and branch number n before merging. Before merging, after it's merged, so this is a master branch, two master branch, and branch 1 and branch 2. Just after merge, it's a collaboration. Okay. So this solution of the what is merge conflict? This is a merge conflict. Two branch not connected is a redundant after merge. So what is merge conflict? A merge conflict occurs when two branches changes the same part of the file. Same part of the file, Git cannot decide which change to keep. The same part rendered by branch 1 and branch 1. Two number of branch 1. So, merge file master is not is confused of the select branch 1, which branch 1. Okay. So, this is a branch 1, this is a branch 2. This is initial file. Resolving merge conflict. But after it's a merge conflict, merge 1 and merge 1, initial file, resolving merge conflict. First is a merge conflict are resolved manually by the user. Second, Git offers built-in merge tools for comparing and selecting changes. Third-party merge tools can also be used with Git. First party is a merge conflict and resolved manually by the user. Second, teams are Git offers built-in merge tools for comparing and selecting changes. Third-party merge tools can also be used with Git. What are Git hooks? Git hooks. Git hooks are a script that executes automatically at a specific point in a repository lifecycle. They allow developers to customize Git behavior, ensuring tasks are automated or additional check are enforced. Example is enforcing reporting standard before commits and running tests automatically before pushing to a remote registry. Types of Git hooks. Git hooks is execute on the developer's local environment, execute on the repository hosting server. So changes to commit, pre-commit, prepare commit message, after the commit message, post commit, the push remote push pre-receive, pre-receive is the hosting server, update, remote repo update after post receive. This is a client side, this is a server side. Okay, the types of GitHub. What are GitHub Action? GitHub Action is a CI/CD tool built into GitHub to automate workflow like building, testing, and deploying code. CI/CD is a continuous integration and continuous delivery. So fully integrate with GitHub repository. GitHub repository is a fully integrated, event-driven workflow triggered by GitHub events, extensible marketplace for variable action. Components of GitHub action. Components of GitHub action. Event, runner 1, runner 2, job 1, job 2. Step 1, job 1, run action, run script, that is a run script, what is a run action. Job 2, run action, step 2, run script, step 2, run script. Components of GitHub. What are GitHub Copilot? GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered tool. GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered tool developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI. So it acts as an intelligent pair program. GitHub Copilot is capable of helping with documentation by generating comment for code, identifying potential bugs, and suggesting fix during code review. Existing in code completion by suggesting snap based on context. So this is the GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is the AI powerful. Why use GitHub Copilot for code review? First is the reduce time spent on identifying error or suggesting best practice. Detects issue that human reviews might miss. Allow developers to focus on high level logic rather than repetitive code changes. Suggest modern and efficient coding practice which can help developers improve. Remote or consistent codeways with favor dis- discrepancy between team members. This is a Copilot repository security, repository security best practice. Enable multi-factor authentication of all users. Multi-factor MFA all users use the principle of least privilege, protect main default brand with rules, scan through secret and vulnerabilities. Thank you. Please like and share my YouTube channel. So goodbye. Yeah, thank you.